Hello students, today I am going to show you bag technique, its part and how the procedure is done and the articles required in it. This is a community bag. Now I am going to show you the parts of the community bag. Firstly, I'll start with the handle of the bag. So this is the handle and the stripe of the bag which helps us to carry the bag properly and easily. So this is the outer compartment of the bag. Now I'll show you the articles that are kept in the bag. The first one is the soap in a soap dish with a plastic cover in it so that it helps to protect the bag from getting wet. Then second one is the nail brush. The third one is a sheet of newspaper. Then comes the hand towel, then a kidney tray. So these are the articles that are kept in the outer compartment. Now I'll show you the other part of the bag. This is the cover of the bag and it has a lock in it to prevent the contamination of the inside articles of the bag. So this is the inside part of the bag. This is the flap cover of the bag. Firstly, I'll show you the inner outer compartment of the bag. So this is the inner outer compartment of the bag. Now I'll show you the articles that are kept in this bag. The first one is the spirit lamp, matchbox, dropper, solution bottles, syringe, candle. So these are the outer compartment articles. Now I'll show you the inner compartment of the bag. These are the articles that has to be kept. I will show you one by one. This is the dressing pack. Because this part of the bag is considered to be sterile, so we have to keep a dressing pack, a steel glass, nutrition bowl, a BP apparatus, test tube stand, sample bottles, test tube, phytoscope, percussion hammer, tuning fork. So these are the articles that are kept inside the bag. So in this compartment, I have kept a packed sterile gauze pieces and a bandage, because if you don't have a dressing pack, then you can use this article. So this is all about the bag and the compartments and the articles that are kept inside the compartments. Now I will tell you the important points to remember before doing the procedure. The first important point is you should never keep the bag directly on the floor. Instead, spread the newspaper and set the bag. The second one is you should always keep the bag in an elevated and dry area. The third one is always keep the articles in an arranged manner. Now I am going to demonstrate the procedure. Upon reaching the home, you should select an area which is dry, well lighted, so that you can keep the bag. Now take out the newspaper from the outer compartment. Spread the newspaper on an elevated area. Here the elevated area is my table, so I'll spread it in the table. After spreading the newspaper on the table, I will keep my bag. You should keep your bag on the corner of the newspaper like this. The rest remaining part of the newspaper can be used for the procedure to keep the article. Now you have to keep this handle beneath the bag. You have to slightly tilt the bag towards you and keep the handle beneath the bag. Now I'll unbutton the lock for the easy removal of the articles later. Then I will take out the hand washing articles. So after taking out the hand washing articles, I'll go for hand washing before touching the inner part of the bag. Now I'm done with the hand washing. Now I will touch the inner part of the bag so that it does not get contaminated. You have to use this little finger and touch the inner part of the bag and roll it like this. Then you have to open the flap of the bag. Then remove the required articles for the procedure. As I have already taken out the required articles for the procedure, now I will just close the cover of the bag and go for hand washing to continue with the procedure. So I have completed my procedure. Now I will take all the articles to the hand washing area and clean it and dry it. If the articles are infected, then I have to keep the articles in the plastic cover or in a ziplock compartment and keep it in the outer part of the bag. Now as I have cleaned and dried my article, I am going to replace the articles inside the bag. As I have replaced the articles inside the bag, now I will close the bag. Then lock the bag. Then I will take out the handle of the bag. Then I have to carry it . So the newspaper, this part is the dirty part and we have to pick up the newspaper like this and hold it and keep inside the outer compartment. So this is all about the bag technique. I hope you all understood. Thank you.